How to turn off your iPhone XS, XS Max, or XR. Pressing the power button on the right side won't actually turn off your phone, it will only activate Siri. There are two ways to turn off your phone. First, you can go to your settings, select General, then go to the lowermost part of the screen and select Shutdown option. You can also use the power button and the volume up button. To turn off the phone, simply press the two buttons at the same time. To turn on your phone, simply press the power button on the right side. If you find this video helpful, I would appreciate if you like and subscribe to my channel.